Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove the Detach antenna from a vehicle. Firstly, I will show you how to open up the top cover so that we can reach to the Detach from inside the vehicle. And secondly, I will show you how to detach the antenna from the wiring. In my case, I'm using a Kia Carnival to show you guys how this is done. Other cars should have a similar approach. The antenna sits at the rear of the vehicle. Firstly, you need to loosen the cover of the car and reach out to underneath of the Detach. There's a nut attached to the Detach underneath. You need to loose it and then release the wiring. Lastly, just pull the Detach from the top. Let's see how I remove the top cover first. So to open this panel, first we need to open this cover, the light cover. Inside the two screws in there. One screw is from this one, and then unscrew them. The screw actually attached to the top in here, these two, and then there's two clamp in here, clamp to the top of the panel, one in here to the top, both sides, and then the last one is this these two little ones. A little closer. Now the nut has been released, I'm going to show you guys how they look like inside. The top, I was I lose the bow. They got a wire with it, and then this is the one I just get disconnected from here. So in behind the clip in here, just press it and then try a bit hard to disconnect it. Now it's disconnected. I'm going to go to the top and fish it out. Bottom has been disconnected, so I should be able to get this thing out because the other cable is quite loose. Okay, the other one just get disconnected from here. That's the entire unit. So one connect from here, the other one is connect from here by pressing this and then pull it out. Trying to buy another one of these to replace it. This can show better. So the bow underneath, bow it tight on in there, and then these other pieces inside here got broken. The screw on here is supposed to from behind, see here, to attach to the Detach cover. Because I reversed too hard, there's obstacle in here, and doing reverse, the whole thing, pull the whole thing, break the whole thing again, like this. Because this is so tight, it didn't disconnect this stayed there. But a lot of crack the roof a little bit.